what I want to talk about is going to be some information that's for technicians who are having trouble keeping their FID lit. This is your FID detector. If at first you don't light your FID, what you want to do is gently blow across the top of the castle. What you're listening for is a popping sound. If you don't hear popping sounds, you can always come through on your screen, check your signal. Right now mine is lit. 8.6 is my output. If you're not lighting your FID, first thing you can do to help is raise your temperature. Some people use 250, that's a little low for me. I usually go 300 or 350. But if you're having trouble lighting, the higher the better. So we're gonna go to 400 to get this lit. The other thing you wanna do is take your hydrogen value. I usually use 30 and 300 when I'm running FID. You wanna increase your hydrogen flow. Higher temperature, more hydrogen. Then try to ignite. When you see the ignition coil glowing, it's when you blow across the top of the castle. If none of these tricks work, it's possible that you have a problem with your column. You definitely want to make sure that your column is securely attached to your detector, and you want to make sure that it's inserted to the correct length. And if it is and you follow these tips, you ought to be able to get your FID to light.